Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will show how to integrate Prometheus server with MCP. So here we are going to integrate Prometheus with MCP so that the AI assistants such as Codex can query your metrics using natural language. So let us look at the architecture diagram. Here we have AI assistants. In this case, it is Codex agent, which will connect to Prometheus MCP server, which will run as Docker container, and that will in turn connect with Prometheus server, which is running at port 9090. Okay, so this is a simple architecture diagram of Prometheus integration with MCP. So first we will spin up the Prometheus server using Docker Compose file. So we have a Docker Compose file here, which is where we have one service of Prometheus of version 2.54.1, and we have a Prometheus config file, that is prometheus.yaml file with one target, which is the Prometheus itself. So let us spin up this this Prometheus server using this command docker compose up-d. Spin up this, so it will pull the image first, then it will run the container out of it. So now you can see the Prometheus is up and running. So I will do docker ps. So the container is up and running. So you can also verify it in the browser. That is localhost 9090. Okay, so we have this Prometheus up and running. So you can also use the targets. We have one target, that is Prometheus itself. Okay. Now this Prometheus is up and running. Now we need to integrate this with the MCP server. So to do that, just go back to the VS Code. And we have one file here, that is mcp-config-example.toml. So this is the code, the content we need to copy and update the codex configuration file. So to update the codex configuration file, you need to go to the settings of codex. That is on the right side, we have this setting option. Click on that and click on this codex settings. And in the codex settings, just move to go to configuration section and open this config.toml file and just update this config file with the content which we have copied. Okay, just save this file. After saving, just go to MCP server. Then you can see the Prometheus MCP server is enabled now. Okay, just you can enable this MCP server. Okay, so once we have this, close the settings. Now go to the Codex Chat GPT, turn on this workspace. So I will just create a new chat and I will ask the query, like for example, from here, I will just take the query. What is the current current up status of the Prometheus job? Just copy this query and paste it here. So run it. I will run it once again. Okay, so if it is not running, the MCP server, go to VS Code, then go to settings of codex, settings, then in the MCP server, just disable this and restart this extension. Click on this. Okay, now go back to codex settings, MCP server, and just enable this. Okay, now we will ask the same query again. Okay, now I can ask the code query again. So you can see the Prometheus job is up for this metric for the instance Prometheus server. So similarly, I can query the other prompts. Like for example, now the prompt has, are there any targets that are down? You can see the result. No, there is one active target, that is Prometheus server, and it is healthy. So there are no targets which are down. So this is how we can integrate the Prometheus with MCP server and give the prompt in the chat GPT or the Codex agent, and you can get the result from the Prometheus server. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.